Today we are going to learn how to use punctuation in grammar. First, punctuation is a period. Period is used to end a declarative sentence or indirect question. And second is comma. Comma to separate item in a list. And third is question mark. Question mark to use and a direct question to end a direct question. And fourth is exclamation mark to show strong emotion. And fifth is clone to introduce a list. And sixth is quotation mark to enclose direct speech. And seven is apostrophe to show possession. And eighth is parenthesis to add an additional information. And nine is a dash to create a strong break. And tenth is a slash to indicate alternatives fractions. Thank you for watching, guys.